Alright guys, got me another creation here. In light of the release date, it's Juliet from Lollipop Chainsaw. And I made her as best as I could in Calibur. And I've got to admit, it looks pretty good. If only I could have the that skull on her shirt there, the knights or something like that. So yeah. And if I couldn't get those puffed up things she has on her legs, I guess they're called leg warmers. I don't know. What if I could have a head? No? Okay. So I tried to find the best chainsaw looking weapon, and there's my chainsaw I picked out. And it is Siegfried. So yeah. Hope you like what I made for Juliet for Lollipop Chainsaw, and it did release today, so go get it. It looks really interesting. Now gameplay. Alright. I tried so hard to make her. Oh yeah, that skeleton is supposed to be a zombie. It's just the best thing I could get. Oh shit. Stop it. What am I doing? You son of a bitch. That was fun. Yeah, rematch. Alright, so hope you like this creation. First female creation. That's the first right there. And I will have more coming up, so be looking out for those. And bye.